Are you sick and tired of paying monthly fees to multiple old school landing pages, pop-ups, and email marketing solutions that are slow, frustrating, and low converting? And do you know you're also losing business every second because of this? Hi there, this is Ron from Team.com.Pal, along with Dr. Amit Parikh and Ashu Kumar. And together, they've happily served over 120,000 customers during their combined 18 plus years of online business experience. You see, not only have they made millions of dollars selling software products, WordPress themes, and info products online themselves, but more importantly, they've also helped thousands of people get their desired profitable business online right from their home. And while we don't say this to brag, we do want to make one thing clear. When it comes to becoming successful online, nothing beats the power of getting targeted leads using high-converting landing pages, sending them beautiful emails to get maximum sales for your own products or affiliate offers. And when you tap into their immense power and use it for your business, well, the results can be true freedom and explosive income all at the same time. But if you're like most people, you're probably tired of trying to piece together multiple apps and software and paying them all a huge monthly fee just to get the perfect marketing solution. Am I right? Well, we know exactly how you feel. Even though we were succeeding with it, we couldn't deny that it was frustrating trying to get different platforms and apps to work together seamlessly. So we decided to fix that problem and create our own. After years of learning and planning and coding and debugging, and after real user testing with thousands of real users, well, we're pleased to announce that we've created that solution, and we'd like to share it with you today. I'm proud to present MarketPal, the world's only app that creates lightning-fast pages, pop-ups, splash pages, sticky bars, and sends beautiful emails from one central dashboard with zero hassles. So, let my friend Paul from Team MarketPal give you a closer look on how it can skyrocket your results and help you overcome those challenges now.
It has never been easier to sell and market your products, services, and affiliate offers online without any technical and marketing skills. But with MarketPal, it's easy and fast. Replace your multiple old-school landing page builders, email marketing apps, and other money-sucking platforms with this all-in-one marketing technology that helps power your business in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Choose. Just select from over 200 ready-to-use templates of landing pages, lead generation pages, webinar registration pages, email templates, exit intents, and a lot more. Step 2. Edit. Customize them according to your business or niche. Add your links and call to actions. Step 3. Profit. Just deploy and profit. Drive attention, build lists, and get more opens, clicks, and targeted traffic like a pro. No installation, no coding or designing or other techie stuff. And everything works under a single dashboard without multiple logins and with zero frustration of learning about how to use them all. It's easy, fast, and built with love. With MarketPal, you can do much more. First, there is the all-in-one marketing technology that lets you create converting pages, pop-ups, and beautiful emails without a single hitch. You can easily create unlimited beautiful sales pages, lead, webinar, affiliate review pages for any niche and goal in a few minutes. Next, up is the power to send beautiful emails to your subscribers instantly or schedule for later date and time. Along with that, you can use advanced sales boosters with AI-based personalized notification technology to engage visitors and convert them into lifetime happy customers. Get our next generation advanced drag and drop editor to create whatever you want and wherever you want without even one pixel error. You'll also receive over 200 plus landing page, emails, pop-ups, splash pages, and sticky bar templates. These templates are easy to use. Just load them up, click to edit, publish, and you're ready to start getting best results ASAP. And that's just a handful of features. There are many more valuable benefits included, such as boost leads and sales on your websites by showing behavior-oriented pop-ups. Use engaging splash pages and sticky bars to force people to take action. Boost your sales and leads by simply connecting it with your Shopify store, WordPress websites in most advanced ways that no other platform provides. And if you are already using any solution, we have over 50 plus apps that integrates with MarketPal with autoresponders, webinars, and other services to connect and migrate to our system in easiest way possible. Smart A/B testing to have clear insight of your landing pages, pop-ups, and email campaigns. Create subdomains for multiple business management. Get 100% unbreakable security with our automatic and free SSL encryption. You can manage all campaigns, projects, and clients in one simple dashboard to manage everything effortlessly. It's 100% newbie friendly, so zero tech skills required. A to Z complete video training included. And an entire host of other features that come included with MarketPal when you sign up today. So, whatever your goal is, we have a proven solution for you. So, just get your hands on MarketPal to sell and market your products, services, and affiliate offers online, and it streamlines everything for you 24/7, even while you are sipping your cappuccino, watching your favorite web series on Netflix, shaking your leg on the dance floor, or even watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court. It has got everything covered. And that makes MarketPal a cut above the rest. It's fast and easy. It's proven and elegant. It's reliable and robust. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-the-art solution, and I am sure that you will love it. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our live chat customer support. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spend monthly on hosting. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.
So, stop wasting your time and hard-earned money on complicated and recurring platforms that undermine your efforts. MarketPal has everything you need. So, what are you waiting for? MarketPal is available for just a one-time price without any limitations, but just for the special charter launch of 7 days. And after this introductory phase, it's going to go back to its rightful monthly price. Oh, and if you act now, you'll also receive our commercial license. That means you can use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch trending solution. This will give you a massive opportunity to make additional income each and every month. So go for this one-time investment that's fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. Now, the clock is ticking here, so click on the button below and get instant access to MarketPal for this one-time low price before it turns to monthly recurring. Once again, we, Dr. Amit Parikh, Ashok Kumar, and I congratulate you in advance for taking action now to build your successful business for years to come. The MarketPal team is waiting to assist you and welcome you inside your exclusive members area.